Hey, Finn.
Hey, good morning.
Morning.
It's a busy day here. It's spring cleaning. I don't know if you can see. Outside, it's absurdly nice. It's supposed to be 70 degrees today. It's been like a really cold weather for the longest time. So we're gonna take this opportunity to clean the shop and also to show you guys kind of like what's been going on here, because we realize that there's a lot going on and we haven't done a great job really breaking down everything that's happening. So follow me as I'm going to show you kind of what's going on, and we're going to show off some cool stuff. We also have an update of the Skyline because we got some new parts for it, which are up there on the shelf. God damn, it's bright. There's a Skyline. We got some new fancy things for the Skyline, and you're going to see something for the last time in this car. This poor car. This is the last time we're going to see the con size on the Skyline because we got new wheels.
We're just gonna show these
Ladies and gentlemen. All right, we're back. So, the new parts for the Skyline. We're very excited for what we've got. So we'll start off with these. We got some awesome seats. So, Peter, if you wanna come a little bit closer and check these bad boys out. We have located an authentic, original set of Recaro SR3 confetti bucket seats.
Hell yeah.
These things are so unbelievably sweet, and I'm so excited to have them in the Skyline. So we're gonna go ahead and toss these in. Now on top of the seats, we also got some new wheels. So Wilson, check them out.
We got some 17-inch TE37s. They are 17 by 8.5 plus 30. Used, but they are in amazing condition.
Yeah, I mean, I just cleaned them up. I spent some time cleaning them, and I found a single mark on all four.
They're really, really nice. So
we think these two are really going to complement the car super well. We still have a lot of other stuff that's kind of like on the way and coming, so don't think this is it for the car. If we had more parts, we'd be putting them on. It's kind of one of those things. So let's get those wheels on first, put the car down on the ground, and then me and Peter can get the seats in.
Yeah. Let's stop talking and start doing.
I like it. Woo! Peter's finishing up his glory. That means it's time to test fit the wheels for the first time. Ooh, that's a spicy fit.
Nice.
That's spicy. Get this old Johnny.
Thank you, Finn.
Hurry up, Finn.
Possibly the most exciting moment because this looks so good and it's about to look even better.
I'm so excited.
Just make sure the wheels don't hit the fenders.
Okay, we'll make sure.
All right.
I'm logging.
Oh! Wilson, get your butt out of this car and look at this.
All right.
Oh, that actually looks sick.
That's spicy.
That's spicy. And honestly, we can still get the front a little bit lower, dude. That's sick.
Oh! Wow, this is actually spectacular. It couldn't be better.
This literally could be better. Actually, you know what would make it better? Some confetti bucket seats. So let's put those in, Peter.
Nice.
Stock seats got to come out. I've done this way too many times. So far, just test fitting. Because we test fit a lot of seats. We got these seats without knowing if they would fit. Complete honesty, no idea. I just really wanted them. So we're gonna make them fit. Whatever we gotta do, they're gonna fit.
Oh yeah, look at that. There she is. Quick and easy.
Oy vey! After an unpredictable amount of time that would have been spent on these seats, we are finally getting them in final position.
I'm satisfied, but I'm pissed off at how long it took to see these seats in. Basically, each bracket, we bought like universal brackets for seats that like genuinely there's no one would respond on how to make them fit. I even emailed Recaro directly and it was like, hey, do you have any fitment guides from back in the day on these seats? And you know what they told us? Sorry, we don't deal with those seats anymore. I was like, great, okay,
wow.
Cool. So, they're in an R32.
Ooh, look at that bling! Bling, bling, money, money, money.
If you're trying to fit your SR3s, modify planted brackets and they'll fit.
We did notice that they sit just shy of an inch taller than the stock seat. So Finn, can we see you in it?
It is a little bit higher than before.
Yeah, but your legs aren't.
My leg's clear.
Your legs are fine.
My legs touched before because this car is designed for people who are 2 feet tall.
Finn's a tall boy. Bang, 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 oh. I'm gonna get on the passenger side.
Oh, It's a lot better.
Is it
lot more-
JDM more better?
A lot more JDM, more cool.
This
better.
absolutely is JDM more better.
I think this is a needed upgrade for the car. It just needed some cooler seats.
Yeah. There's Wilson. Don't kill me, Wilson. Let's go, Peter. Oh, yes. Follow me. My favorite part of every episode is being able to bring you guys the glory segments that you see. So that's exactly what we're going to go do right now.
Well, there it is. The wheels and seats.
The wheels and seats.
The wheels and seats.
Very nice.
Very nice, I like. So, TE37s are on. You've just watched Peter's beautiful glory showing off those and the new Recaro SR3 seats right in here. Next thing you'll see on this car is
Height sensor.
height sensors. The next video we'll have on this car will most likely be swapping over to 3H and running height sensors just because of the way this car is set up. And we also just want to demonstrate it and show them off because I think a lot of people have some misconceptions about 3H or just don't know anything about it. So we're going to show off exactly what 3H can do and the application on this car because it needs it. Until then,
We'll be back.
Hope you enjoyed the episode. Like, comment, subscribe. Go buy our merch.
go buy some new merch. New merch is live on the site, so.
You can actually go get that now.
If you can't tell, that's a bag, that's a can, and that's some liquid.
If you're 21, it's beer. If you're under 21, it's root beer.